Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria.
Sultan of Sokoto Saad Abubakar has pledged the support of traditional rulers for the implementation of 60 million euro transformative projects inaugurated for Nigerian's northwestern states. The federal government has confirmed that farmers lost over a billions of naira to a pest outbreak and called on stakeholders to help mitigate another increase in tomato price. Out of school children, the Kaduna state government says it will train 8,700 school-based management committee members to improve basic education in the states. Now, in security, the civilian joint task force attached to the Operation Hadenkai of the Nigerian Army has neutralized 3 top commanders of the Islamic State of West African Province, ISWAP, in Izgi town of Koza local government area of Borno State. Similarly, Nigerian Army troops of Operation Hadenkai have uncovered and disrupted a large-scale foil supply operation in Maiduguri, Borno State's capital, intended for Boko Haram terrorists operating in Koza local government area. Still on insecurity, the Nigerian Army alongside joint security patrol team on routing operation along the Adoka Road in Benue State exchanged gunfire with herdsmen armed with AK-47 rifles who had blocked the road with their cattle. Now, politics. A fresh wave of political tension has hit the APC following reports that former Kano State Governor may be seeking to return to the ruling party. Reacting to the development, the Minister of State Housing Yusuf Atta Abdullahi has opposed the idea, warning that Konkoso's return could trigger internal crisis in the party's Kano State chapter. Buba Galadima accuses All Progressive Congress APC of targeting NNPP, warns former Vice President Atiku Abubakar against 2027 bids. The national chairman of APC, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, has announced the introduction of an electronic membership registrations platform for members and intending members. Now, from the international scene, Slovakia has voiced strong opposition to a new European Commission proposal to end the European Union reliance on Russian gas, oil, and nuclear fuel by 2027, warning that the plan will harm the national interests. Indian and Pakistan exchange fire across the line of control between Indian and Pakistan administer Kashmir after Indian launch Operation Sindoor. Pakistan says Indian's missiles attack on Punjab province and Pakistan administer Kashmir kill at least 26 people and wounded 2 dozens. Mali's military government has suspended the activities of political parties until further notice, days after a rare pro-democracy rally. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us on Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.